hear about Krishna. The chanting is also hearing about Krishna. So, immediately the cleansing process begins. Cetadarpanam Arjuna. And as soon as our heart is cleansed, Bhava Mahadavagni Nidvapanam, then we become free from the blazing fire of this material existence. So, chanting is so auspicious. Therefore, Parikshit Maharaj here, Sukadeva Goswami says, Baryane Sate Prasna, Krito Loka Hitang Nipa. In another place also, Sukadeva Goswami, Suta Goswami said, Jat Kita Krishna Samprasna, Jayatma Samprasidati. When the great saintly persons in the Naimisharanya inquired about Krishna, he replied like that, Jat Kita Krishna Samprasna. Because you have inquired about Krishna, it will cleanse your heart. Jeno Atma Samprasidati. You will feel a very transcendental bliss, comfort within your heart. So, Baryane Sati Prasna Krita Lokahitam. Lokahitam. Actually, this movement is the prime welfare activities to the human society. Lokahitam. It is not a business. Business means my hitam, my benefit only. It is not. It is Krishna's business. Krishna's business means Krishna is for everyone. Therefore, Krishna's business is meant for everyone. We therefore welcome everyone. There is no distinction. Come here and chant Lokahitam. And a sadhu, a saintly person, should always think of Lokahitam. That is the difference between sadhu and ordinary man. Ordinary man, he thinks only of himself or expanded himself for family, for community, for society, for nation. These are all expanded selfishness. Expanded. When I am alone, I am thinking of my benefit only. When I am little grown up, I think of my brothers and sisters. And when I am little advanced, I think of my family. Little advanced, I think of my community. Little advanced, I think of my country, my nation. Or I can think of the whole human society internationally. But Krishna is so big that Krishna includes everyone, not only human society, animal society, bird society, bee society, tree society, everything. Krishna says, Aham bija pradapita, I am the seed-giving father of all these forms. There are 8,400,000 different kinds of forms. Krishna claims all of them are my part and parcel, living entities, but they are now covered by different dress only, but they are living entities. This is Krishna consciousness vision. Therefore, one who is actually Krishna conscious, Pandita Samadarshina. Pandita, he does not see the outward dress. He sees the living entity encased in this particular type of body. So he has no concern with the body. Therefore, a sadhu always thinks of everyone's benefit. Just like Rupa Goswami, Sanatana Goswami, or the Goswamis, it is said, Lokanang hitakarino trivane manno, because they were benefactor for all kinds of living entities. Therefore, they were honored Trivubhane in 3 worlds. Tiruvane, Lokanang Hitaka, Nana Shastra Vichara Nipuno. The sadhu's business is for the benefit of all living entities. A sadhu does not like to cut even a tree because he knows here is a living entity. He is standing here for many years by his karma and he has to continue this for many years more. So he cannot avoid this because it is nature's law. Just like if you are put into prison for 6 months, nobody can save you, nobody can make you one day less than 6 months. So we get our particular type of body, we have to remain in that body for a certain period by the laws of nature. So by cutting the body, the living entity does not die, but because we check the continuation of his period, therefore he become sinful. You cannot cut even a tree without Krishna's purpose. Without Krishna's purpose we cannot kill even an ant, we cannot cut even a tree, then we shall be liable to punishment. So a sadhu sees that here is also a living entity. Pandita samadar, vidya vinaya sampanni, brahmani, gavi, hastini, sunichi, cha supakichi. Pandita samadarshana. Pandit does not make any discrimination that here is an animal, here is a man. No, he sees the animal is also part and parcel of Krishna. He has got a different body. And the man also, he is also part and parcel of Krishna, he has got a different body. Karmana, according to one's karma, he is put into different time. So, Lokahita. Now, this Krishna Samprashna, this question and answer about Krishna, if we simply hear, that is recommendation of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Sthane sthita sutigatang tanuvang manobhi. You remain in your position, but you try to hear about Krishna. That is the recommendation. Simply you come in this temple and try to hear about Krishna. Sthane sthita sutigatang tanuvang. That will purify. Krishna, Kirtan, Krishna's name is so powerful. Simply if you hear Krishna, 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 you become purified. You become purified. Therefore it is said, Bharyane sati prasna krituloka hidanganiko atmabit sammata. Atmabit. It is not that I am only eulogizing. Atmabit sammata. All great personalities who is self-realized. Atmabit. Atmabit means one who knows Atma. General people, they do not know Atma. But Atmabit means one who knows Atma. Aham Brahmasmi. I am spirit soul, I am not this body. And one who is well acquainted about this Atma Tattva. So unless one becomes aware of this Atma Tattva, whatever he is doing, he is being defeated. They are saying, generally people, they are thinking that I am now constructing this big skyscraper building, I am successful, I have become Rothschild, I have become Ford. And that is not Atmavit. Atmavit, because he is materially opulent, that does not mean Atmavit. That's subject matter will be discussed in the next verse. Apasadam Atmatattam. One who cannot see his Atma. Griheshu Griham Medila. They are compact in this materialistic way of life, griheshu, grihamedina. Their condition is very, actually, this is the position of the whole world. They are not Atmavit. They do not inquire Atmatattam. Therefore, they are less intelligent. In the airport, I say that our propaganda is to make people more intelligent. They might not have taken it very nicely. They thought that this poor Swami has come to make us intelligent. But actually, that is the fact. That is the fact. This is not intelligence. That bodily concept of life, I spoil my whole life for bodily comforts, and then after giving up